Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to build a circle using CSS. We're going to start by creating a simple div with a class called circle. And here I'm going to use the circle class to style it using CSS. The next thing we're going to do is to set the height and width. I am going just to use 250 pixels on both. And as you can see, we have not chosen a background color yet, so nothing's going to show up. So let me go ahead and insert a color. And I chose a pretty yellow because I'm going to be using a sun for my project. So right now we have a square, so we need to add a few more details in order to make our square a circle. The next thing that we're going to do is to add a border radius. So as of right now, I just put in 50 pixels. I wanted to show you that that is going to just make our corners round. Not exactly what we're looking for. If we change this to the same height and width, voila, it's going to make our square into a circle. And then the last thing that we want to do is to add some appropriate prefixes for the browsers that do not recognize the default syntax. And there you go. We have a beautiful yellow circle.